Motivated sellers. Wonderful family home. Many interior updates since 2010. Windows replaced, kitchen, bathrooms, painted and flooring throughout. The home offers an open foyer area and the walls between the kitchen, living room and dining area are open. Additional living space is offered in the walkout lower level. The family room fireplace is thermostat controlled. The large laundry room with built-in cabinets and counters provides a great work area. Exterior improvements are many. Roof, 2011, gutters and screens, landscaping, westerly privacy fence, 2018, driveway freshly blacktopped. Other details, additional detached 2-car garage, 24x28. Deck, 15, 6x10. Presently offers a ramp, storage shed, 12x18. Stamped concrete sidewalk and patio, the blacktop driveway access from Towne Street.